Hello lovely people, welcome to another Temu video. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling us how to earn from Temu. Yes, you can earn daily from Temu, like just from the comfort of your house. You can use your PC, you can use your phone. You don't have to do much, okay? Even if you dedicate just 30 minutes or 1 hour of your time every day, I guarantee you that you're going to be earning daily from Temu. Temu promises that you can earn up to $100,000 from the as a Temu affiliate monthly. And I kid you not, there are people that are making up to that amount, okay? All you need to do is to search for this code, okay? SEC in capital 787028. That's all. Just search for this code SEC 787028. Click on the search icon and automatically you are signed up as a Temu affiliate. Okay, so going to be leaving the link for those that are interested in my comment section or in the description box. You can use the link. Once you use the link to download the app, or just search the link in your Chrome or whatever search engine you use, and just follow the prompts and everything. You'll be directed and signed up automatically as an affiliate. But the fastest way is just to search this code SEC 787028. It's very fast. Now, how do you make this money? Once you've signed up with the code or the link, it's very easy. Or of course, you're going to be getting welcome gifts like €2 if you're in the US, $2. Um, Temu will also ask you to share your link and your code. That is where the money comes in. You have to share your link and your code to your social media platform. They give you some small tasks to do, and once you do that, you're able to withdraw, or rather you're able to get some little gifts here and there. Of course, you can either withdraw, depending on your country, you can either withdraw through PayPal or through Temu gifts, okay? So the limit, you have to get to €20 or $20 before you can withdraw through any of these ways. All right, so share your link, share your code to your platforms, any social media platform, to your friends. Whenever someone places an order using your link or your code, you get a commission. Whenever someone downloads the app using your link or code, you get a little something from it. Just the secret is to share your code. Now, our advice you share on Facebook groups, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, anywhere you have a following. Even if you don't have a following yet, create a page on whatever platform it is and share your link, okay? Share your code. That is just it. The more people use your code, the more money you make. You smile to the bank. I've seen people that make thousands monthly. It's not a lie. It's not something that people just say because they want to talk. It's actually happening. And why wouldn't you want to tap into such juicy deal? Well, I want to. I don't know about you. So let me know if you do this and just dedicate like 30 minutes to 1 hour daily. Just be consistent for a month, and I kid you not, I assure you you're going to be smiling in no time, okay? Anyway, thank you for watching to this point. If you found value in this video, let's discuss in the comment section. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.